All right, so it is that time of the year, Courtney Schultz from American Sinus.
Cedar is here, and people are miserable.
It's peaking, isn't it?
Yes.
This is the problem. I came back from Christmas vacation. The boss calls me into the office and goes, "What's your problem?" I go, "It's Cedar. It's happening. I need another day off."
People are coming in with swollen eyes, and I mean, they look tired. They come into work, and everybody's like, "Did you go out the night before?" And they're basically saying, "I went to bed at 8:30. I have cedar fever." It's bad.
It's not because we don't want to work. It's because we just don't feel good. We need to talk about symptoms because there's some. You gotta differentiate between what's going on out there. But cedar's the issue right now, right? With sinuses.
Cedar's an issue, but for people with chronic sinusitis, they can have symptoms year round, and so it's really trying to tell people who's a good candidate, who needs to come in, who we want. We want to make everyone feel better. We want everyone to have freedom from sinus issues.
And this is a really simple process. It takes less than 20 minutes. I've watched it happen. I've seen the patients. I've talked to the doctor who created the technology, Dr. Honrubia.
We do it in the office. It's pain-free.
Yeah, you have a donut. You come in, you get your sinuses fixed, and it's like we cleared the traffic jam on 1604.
Exactly.
It's exactly what happens. We're just going to push things out of the way. So we're going to hold up some symptoms, and we're going to go through and see if this is one, an allergy symptom, or perhaps a not a symptom.
Right.
Okay. So the first one.
Throat.
So a sore throat. What do you think? Well, we'll just put them on the screen. There they are. The top complaints of allergy symptoms. We go through number one. Headaches. Yes.
So stuffy nose.
Stuffy nose.
Obviously the headaches, earaches, fever. Fatigue is a big one. A lot of people don't know that fatigue is actually a huge symptom of sinusitis. So
now, why is that? I guess because your body is working overtime.
A lot of people who are suffering from sinusitis run a low-grade fever. It may not even register, but your body is really trying to fight off the infection, and that causes chronic fatigue. And also, when you're sleeping, you're basically breathing through your mouth, so you never get a restful sleep, plus you're fighting an infection during the day. So it's really a double whammy, and people are tired all day.
Well, and there's some people that can't sleep because of sinusitis. They cannot get any rest whatsoever.
They're restless, you have postnasal drip, and your mouth is dry, you have terrible breath, and basically if you wake up every morning, your throat's dry and you feel like you need a lot of water, and you're restless and you're tired, you probably have sinusitis.
All right, let's go through some other symptoms here because
coughing
is not good.
Constant coughing, which can be incredibly annoying when you're talking to people, when you're doing anything. Just a constant, like that dry dog barking cough. It's really embarrassing.
Yeah, when you're honking. And then, of course, your breath is kicking like Jackie Chan over there.
Yes, bad breath, halitosis, huge sign. And we're getting ready to go into Valentine's, and nobody wants to take someone out on a Valentine's Day with bad breath.
Ain't nobody going to get no action that way. I mean,
no, exactly.
What
no one wants to kiss somebody with bad breath.
Oh, Cupid is not stupid. All right. A sore throat
caused by postnasal drip and coughing. Of course, we talked about the low-grade fever.
Because your body's trying to fight something.
Right. And something that we don't often associate with sinusitis is an earache. So headache, earache, and those are caused by pressure. Usually your maxillary is blocked. And these are all things that can be solved with one procedure. 15 minutes in the office, come in and change your life.
Headache and earache, headache, and earache. We spare no expense here. I got to tell you, you make this so worthwhile to have this procedure done. I've seen people that have suffered with this for 40 years that have come to American Sinus Institute, and literally within a week they feel so much better. Right after the surgery, they feel better.
Well, and we like to say that at American Sinus Institute, it's a freedom from sinus issues and pressure and sinusitis.
But there's young people that can have it done too. I've seen 19-year-olds that have been in and they can't get any rest at school.
Actually, 9 years old, we can do 9 years old to 99. Well, so if you're somewhere in there and you're suffering from sinus pressure, the time to come in is now. 210 Balloon. How easy is that to remember? 210 Balloon, come in and we'll see you.
That's the phone number, 210-BALLOON. That's 210-225-5666. Use that telephone number to free yourself up from pain and suffering and all these symptoms. 210-225-5666. Would you call now and schedule that consultation at AmericanSinus.com, 210-225-5666. Thank you, Courtney. I feel better just talking to you.
Thank you.
All right, we found a solution. We're coming back on SA Live. Stay with us. Thank you very much. That was great.